Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course. Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Hapadeng ke Jingkylli ki Samla jantar mantar kabadon hanongba Delhi kabalapan long da cockroach Janata Party CJP halo ki mata ki Samla pule nakaliang ka Voice of the People Party VPP kalami syakmat ban a jingkershan habakran sekilat thai kubor uba RPSW rani nong ai ktien uloong baka VPP ka a jingkershan ba pura ya kamat ka ki Samla puli ki yaki hanongba Delhi namar kadei ka bakongsan nolor kata uloong ru ba ukmi lenti banakaliang ka Sorkar kan kreni halor kan kamat rei hadu menta kadang Sngapjar bat ban pensngo Balei si kala bandai namar ke Jingpom patiau jongka ya Lawei ki Samla.
In the ongoing protests in Delhi, the protest which is related to the alleged irregularities in the NEET UG examinations, the Voice of the People Party, a political party from the state of Meghalaya in Northeast India, expresses its solidarity with all the protesters who have come from across the country, some of them students, some of them professionals and other walks of life. We stand with them for the issue that they stand for, and we extend our wholehearted support to the ongoing protests. To the VPP, this protest is not confined only to the alleged irregularities in the NEET examinations, but it's all about protecting the public institutions from corruption, nepotism, and undue political interference, and also safeguarding the interests and future of millions of our youth across the country. So we stand with you and we extend our support morally and otherwise. Secondly, we have seen from the media reports regarding the mishandling of the police authorities to the protesters. We have seen that they have been brutally lathi charged, they have been injured, tear gas have been thrown at them, some of them being hospitalized. So we stand with you and we wish for your speedy recovery. We believe that peaceful dissent, constitutional demonstration with genuine issues such as this must be met with dialogue, not force. In the state of Meghalaya, the VPP is also raising same kind of concerns where we want to insulate all important institutions that provide public service from political interference. So we are very happy that the stand that the issues that we are raising in the state is also resonating with the current protests in Delhi. Lastly, the VPP would like to question the government of Meghalaya, particularly the Chief Minister of the state. We want to know what is the stand of the government on this particular issue. At a time when the youth are protesting in the national capital, some of them even from Meghalaya also have gone, when they are facing police action and atrocities, we expect the Chief Minister and the state government to speak up. But on the contrary, the state government has chosen to remain silent. Does it mean that the government of Meghalaya does not care about the youth and their future? Does it mean that government of Meghalaya does not pay any concern regarding the alleged irregularities? Or does it mean that the government of Meghalaya has merely become a puppet in the hands of the central government? These are the questions that deserve answers. These are the issues that are affecting the youth of Meghalaya no less than those in the rest of the country. So therefore, the people of Meghalaya deserves to know the stand of the Meghalaya government on this particular issue. And I would like to remind you that in the past few days, we have seen from media reports that one of the coalition partners in the MDA government has gone to the extent of saying that the protesters must be shot. We don't know whether the statement is true or right or wrong, but if it is true, it partly reflects the attitude of the government.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la ai khan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki
Balei hi panai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoi ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus f menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya